Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be starting my video off a little bit different today. I got my Stitch Fix box and as you can see these are the 5 items that I got. So we're going to do a little Stitch Fix try on and I would love for you guys to leave me comments. Let me know what you think of the pieces that I got. So I'm going to start my video off with that because I was excited to share this with you. And then we're going to be jumping into cleaning my bathroom and we are going to be deep cleaning the bathroom and I'm going to be organizing it. I'm going to go through all the drawers and everything. So stay tuned for that, and I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel because I love making cleaning motivation and sharing my life with you guys. So if you guys are interested in that kind of content, like I said, please subscribe and leave me a comment down below because I would love to get to know you guys and I want us to grow as a family. We are a family of 5 and we live in a small house and this is what my house really looks like. I am ready to share my real life messes with you guys and show you what it really looks like. I am really busy because my kids, all have school and after school activities and everything like that. So I don't get a whole lot of time to clean. So I try to do, as much as I can when I can, so sometimes my house is really clean and sometimes it's a complete mess. But hey, it's real life and I want to share that with you guys. So please stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty, so I'm going to take everything off of the counters here and I'm going to put it in this laundry basket and I'm also going to empty the drawers and put everything in the laundry basket as well. We're going to take it out to the living room and we're going to sort it and just go through, see what I have, check dates on things. I do love to do that periodically just because I love trying new skincare products. I am guilty of buying all kinds of skincare products and sometimes I don't always finish them or they get shoved in the back. So I just want to make sure that I check the dates on things like that and, just make sure that they're all still good to go. So we're going to take care of that in just a little bit. So now I'm going to be cleaning the sink drain because my kids informed me that they were playing and washed some grass down the drain and I don't know how or where this much grass came from. So we're going to be cleaning that up and taking care of that so that my sink will drain properly. so now we're going to be going through my laundry basket of stuff here. I put everything in the basket, so now we're going to go through here and I'm going to sort into piles, you know, like my hair stuff, teeth stuff, nails, that kind of thing. Organize it all so that I can put it all back in the drawers, and hopefully it'll just stay that way. Probably not for very long, just because, you know, I know things get moved around and that kind of thing. It's okay. Like I said, this is real life. So, and I'm sharing it with you guys. I'm just letting you know that life is not perfect. And it's okay. I am totally okay with not perfect, because perfect would be boring. So let's get this little project done. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to clean my makeup brushes, and all I'm using is a bar of soap and this little makeup cleaning pad. They're super inexpensive, and you can find these at Walmart, Target, all of that. So I highly recommend that you get one. And that is all that I have for you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys all soon with another video. So until next time, bye!